Oh, sweet home in Amherst. It's where you want to be. It's got views of the mountains and rail trail, where you can run or bike for free. This sweet ranch-style home located in a picturesque setting overlooking the Pelham Mountains and just a short walk to the rail trail. Welcome to 759 Southeast Street. Come on in. Features easy single-floor living, an updated kitchen, and spacious living room with built-in window seat. 3 bedrooms, 1 full bath, and partially finished basement complete this lovely home. The backyard is nicely sized, and you're just gonna love the cozy seating on the back deck. So make sure you don't miss out on your opportunity to see the best kept secret in Amherst, 759 Southeast Street. I'm Realtor Aimee Kelly, and until next time, happy house hunting.